Hey everybody, thank you for stopping by. Welcome to a Thursday training video, and this one is about Snapchat and how to add your Snapchat link to your YouTube channel. I actually got the inspiration to do this from last night chatting with a friend of mine who is having some trouble with it. So I wanted to just show you really quickly. Make sure that you do this on your computer. I don't know if there is a way to do it on a cell phone yet, but if there is, I will definitely check it out and record that for you and put it up. But for now, let's keep it to the basics on a computer. So you want to make sure that you go to your YouTube channel, and over in the top right corner, you're going to want to click on your little icon there and click My Channel. And then you're going to want to hit Customize Channel. And then here it's going to bring you into where you can edit your videos and things like that. So across the bottom underneath of your name, you're going to see your About section. And then you've got your description of your channel and then your links. So in the links section, if you hold it over the bottom where your links show up, you're going to see a pencil pop up in the right. So you're going to want to click on that. And you're going to want to hit Add. And here you just add Snap, so, you could put Snapchat, follow my snaps. You can put follow me on Snapchat, whatever, etc., however you want to do that. And then from there, you're going to go to open a new tab, and you're going to type in snapchat.com/add, and then your username. So this one is just for my Plexus. It's not my personal one, and it's actually brand new. So I'm going to go ahead and add that. And then here, you're going to just go ahead. You're going to make sure that you're on yours. So check your name. Make sure if you have a little emoji thing, make sure it is definitely your Snapchat. And then you're just going to copy that URL. And you're going to paste it there. And you're going to hit Done. So now when we go to your channel, oops, my bad, sorry. Yep, there it is. Oh, sorry about that. I'm kind of clicking all over the place. I don't need to be. But you'll see here across the board, let me refresh. It's right there. So now you can just hit follow my snaps, and then I have Facebook, my Google, and then my Plexus store. So that's how you do that, and I hope that that helps you with any complications you've been having. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. If you can't figure out how to do it, I would love to help walk you through it. So thank you a lot, and have a wonderful, amazing Thursday, and happy February, by the way. Thanks, guys.